how long does it take to actually get a permit once I've signed the proposal till we receive a permit in hand? Welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question that was posed to us is, how long does it take to actually get a permit once I've signed the proposal till we receive a permit in hand? So Mark, take it away.
Yeah, that's a great question, Brian. I get that asked all the time. So typically we get a proposal accepted email. It comes electronically. The customer approves it through our CRM program called Builder. We then take it to our office and we start sending it to the engineers. We have a structural and a geotechnical engineer. And that process takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get that done. Then we have a person that is specifically in charge of engineering at Dalinghaus, and they run the engineering plans to the city to obtain the permit. Sometimes there's a couple plan checks in there. That process could take anywhere from the smaller cities, it could take a month. But some of the larger cities, it could take 6 months. And San Diego, Phoenix, LA, we've seen things take up to a year for just that permit process to come back. And it's kind of out of our hands at that point, but I think Brian and I were working together a little bit ago, and we went to Laguna Beach, and they approved it over the counter. So it's I would plan on a few months for permitting, but that's pretty well to understand as far as timeline is concerned for engineering and permitting.
Yeah, and I would agree, but the Laguna Beach thing was like 6 years ago, so it's definitely has changed. But that Mark's 100% correct. I mean, the construction industry hasn't slowed down in the past year. It's actually sped up. So you're seeing all these projects being sent to the cities, and the cities are understaffed or trying to build up their staffing back up. And that's causing kind of a funnel or a bottleneck that they're just trying to work around, and that's why you see the extended timelines now to get a permit or obtain a permit. So, but Mark is 100% correct, and that is another great question. So tune into us next time for another series of You Ask,
We Answer.